Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill INC34 form step by step. Form INC34 is essentially your company's e-articles of association, or EAA. This vital document lays out the internal rules and regulations for managing your company's operations. It's a fundamental part of the company incorporation process in India, ensuring your business has a clear governance framework from day one. Let's dive into the details. The first critical step is selecting the appropriate table from Schedule I of the Companies Act, 2013. Your choice, such as Table F for a company limited by shares, directly impacts the pre-populated articles. This selection is based on your company's specific type and liability structure. Carefully review each table's description to ensure you pick the one that perfectly aligns with your new company's legal framework. Next, accurately input the subscriber details, ensuring they precisely match the information provided in Form INC32, also known as SPICE. You'll then need to list the names of your directors in the designated Board of Directors section. Remember, you can customize the standard articles by marking them as not applicable to hide them, or altered to make specific changes, tailoring the AOA to your company's unique needs. Before submission, meticulously review every section of Form INC34 for accuracy and completeness. Double-check all details to avoid any discrepancies that could delay your incorporation. A Class II digital signature is required for witnessing the EAOA, so ensure you have this ready. Once everything is verified, you can proceed with the submission. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.